Hey, it's the Killer Rich 51 back again with another video. Today we're taking a look at the UAG Monarch series. You can pick it up on Amazon. Links are in the description. The price $59.95, so you're looking at 60 bucks. So you get two styles to choose from. So the one that I have is carbon fiber, but there is a leather one. So the leather one, you get two colors to choose from. So you get black and red. So yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at the features. They're right on the box. So as you can see, it says carbon fiber, it says drop tested 2 times. This is the Monarch series. It says premium materials, 5 layers protection, armored frame. And this is what the picture looks like, as you could see. Okay, so let's see what we get inside. So inside is, well, all we get is the case, as you can see here. So let's just go ahead and throw this box to the side. So here's the case itself. So here it is. It's carbon fiber. It looks pretty cool. Instead of black screw, they give you silver screws, as you see. I have a previous Monarch series, as you see, for my success. This is the leather one, as you see. So this is the top grain leather. Looks pretty cool. You get a black one and a red. I chose the red, as you see. And this one you get black screws, as you see, instead of silver screws. And so yeah, so here you get your cutouts, your buttons, your cutouts, your buttons, your cutout. So let's go ahead and put it onto the phone here. Okay, fits perfectly, as you see. So let's check the power button here. So the power button works. Okay, so it's pretty cool. So all your cutouts line up here, as you see. And of course you get a lay on the table design, so if you put your device down, it will not scratch your screen. Okay, so let's go ahead and check wireless charging. So let me get a wireless charging pad here. Let's see if we get wireless charging through this big case. Is my battery thing dead? Oh, what? Come on. Come on. Trying to find the sweet spot. Okay, there we go. I found the sweet spot. And as you can tell, there's the LED light, and it's charging, as you can see. And so yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up. Helps me out on this channel. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. Links are in the description. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also turn on that bell notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.